This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix ERR connection reset for WordPress website. So if you're having this error, follow these easy steps to fix it. This ERR connection reset error basically is a Google Chrome error message. The first method to solve this error is make sure the website is working. To check the website, you can open the website from a different browser or from a different device. You can use your mobile phone to open the browser. If you see the website is working perfectly from a different device or different browser, then follow these steps to fix this error. The first solution is reset your internet connection. To do that, all you have to need, just click on this Wi-Fi icon and disable your Wi-Fi, and again turn it back on. And you can also restart your computer, and after quickly doing it, relaunch your browser and try to open the website and check the issue. And the second thing you can do is clear your browser data. To do that, click on this three dot and hover over on history and click on history, and now click on clear browsing data and time range, select all time and make sure to check browsing history and also check cookies and other site data. Then click on clear data. Once done, try to reopen the website and check the issue. And the third solution is turn off experimental Chrome features. If you have enabled any of Chrome's experimental features, then one of those may be causing the error. To turn off them, open your Chrome browser and navigate to this URL, and here click on reset all, and now you have to relaunch your Chrome browser. So click on relaunch, and after quickly doing it, try to relaunch the website and check the error. And next solution is disable VPN software or extension. As you can see, I'm using VPN extension. So all you have to need, just disable your VPN extension or software, and after that try to relaunch the website and check the issue. And the last solution is clear your DNS cache. To do that, click on this search icon and type here cmd and open command prompt app, and here type this command ipconfig//dns and hit enter, and it will clear your DNS cache. After quickly doing it, relaunch your browser, and hope any of the solution will fix the error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.